Hello, this video is to show the capabilities of the Abax platform. Here at Abax Health, we pride ourselves on trying to help healthcare organizations, reduce the leakage on revenue and increase the return on investments. Our platform right now consists of two different applications, Abax Insight and Abax Access. Access is for continuing, reaching out to the patients and scheduling their appointments and make sure, they follow it through with their healthcare needs and everything that was recommended by their PCPs. We have a great team of patients access concierge that are always working 24/7 to reaching out to patients, make sure they follow through to their appointments, uh, as well as like maybe any kind of lab work or maybe different tests and things that they need done, like an MRI or a CT scan. Abax Insight, we all as that works as like the back end. We can see how we can do better in outreach. We can keep track of all kind metrics of how the healthcare organization is doing. We are also able to partner with different health systems, physicians, ACO companies, and different health plans. Uh, Once we get the initial data from the potential client, the way it works is we will get a flat file, and that flat file has different specific fields and columns that we need in order for the algorithm to work. And sometimes, because of healthcare and HIPAA regulations, if we don't have some of those fields, we can always use some dummy data to make that work. At the end of the day, once we analyze the data and we can start keeping track of, hey, how are we performing versus how we say we should perform, we're able to create a very customized dashboard for every specific client that will give them an executive summary. So, for example, if you're a healthcare organization, a healthcare provider, we want to keep track, what is going to be their gross revenue and the net revenue for this particular example. We can see in a 12-month period, we're talking about 134,000 patients with close to a similar amount of referrals. As in healthcare, it's very common for one patient to have multiple referrals for different items. We can also break that down by categories, locations, physicians, anything that the client might wants to see. We also are able to show them how we can tag into that on-top revenue. By on-top revenue, we means things that the health system never follow up on it. So a patient might have a referral to go see a specialist, but that was never scheduled because nobody ever follow on it. That is the gap that Abax Health is trying to target. We can show them different things by locations, by departments. We want to give our clients the ability to slash and dice for anything that they might be looking for and cater. We have all the metrics. We can give them access to the full data set. And we also have a predictive modeling. The predictive modeling refers to like, hey, this is the sample data that you guys gave us for 1 year's period, and different health organizations track things very differently. So we focus on the first 12 months, and usually we're going to have a backlog and an ongoing, and we're able to break down, hey, if you guys sign with us in our platform, this is going to be your total ROI versus the cost, and we're able to track everything. This is very good when we show to our clients because they're able to see a lot of the metrics and calculations and even the percentages by every different category that we follow up on, so they're able to see like, hey, this is going to be a good investment, a bad investment, but also we're able to show what's happening right now, what we're predicting versus what actually happened when a new client comes on board. I really hope you guys at Microsoft enjoy these small presentations. Again, you guys can see our website, and if you guys have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll be happy to talk to you guys. Thank you for your time.